Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Z2U. Create an account, verify your email, and set up two-factor authentication. Search for the game, select seller listings, compare prices and ratings, and read seller terms. Choose a secure payment method and check buyer protection details. Contact seller if you need delivery instructions, confirm the delivery method, then complete payment and wait for the seller to deliver the code or items. Start by choosing a payment method that offers buyer protection and dispute resolution, such as platform wallet or trusted gateways. Confirm the total cost, including fees and taxes, before authorizing payment. Never send money outside the platform without clear guarantees and high seller trust. Save all transaction records and correspondence in case you need to open a dispute or ask for a refund later from the support team. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty that keeps your feet happy during long gaming sessions. I use them when waiting for deliveries, and they make the wait a lot more comfortable. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When the seller sends the item, verify immediately that codes work and items match the listing description. If something is wrong, contact the seller politely with evidence and request a fix or refund. If the seller does not resolve the issue, open an official dispute with the platform and attach screenshots, order ID, and chat logs. Follow up promptly and keep all communication within the platform for trust and protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.